Hi everyone, my name is Aryan and I just wanted to tell you more about the Forex for Beginners Academy by Saad Ali. I came across this course about 4 weeks ago and it's just amazing. I have done Forex before and I have lost a lot of money too. I bought signals, spots, you name it. But trust me, it doesn't work. You are not in control. So when I came across this course, I was a bit skeptical because it's for free. But I started the first module and I just continued. Saad Ali teaches you everything about moving averages, support and resistance, Fibonacci, candlesticks. He teaches you how to read and analyze price charts, TradingView. He has a Facebook group where you can post your charts and then he will give you feedback on it. That's a great way of learning. And it's been an amazing experience for me. And if you are interested in Forex trading, I would definitely recommend this course by Saad Ali. Thank you for listening. Cheers.